Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate CBS All Access on your smart Blu-ray player, follow these step-by-step instructions to enjoy streaming content on your device. Step 1. Turn on your smart Blu-ray player and ensure it's connected to your home network. Check your network settings if you're not already connected. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps or Streaming Services section of your Blu-ray player's menu. This is usually accessible from the main home screen. Step 3. Search for the CBS All Access app, now rebranded as Paramount Plus in the available apps. Use the search function or browse through entertainment categories. Step 4. Download and install the app on your Blu-ray player. Wait for the installation to complete before launching the app. Step 5. Open the CBS All Access app and select the Sign In or Activate option from the menu. Step 6. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Write down this code or keep the screen visible while you complete the next steps. Step 7. Using a computer or mobile device. Visit the CBS All Access activation website at cbs.com/activate or the URL shown on your screen. Step 8. Enter the activation code and sign in with your CBS All Access account credentials. Once verified, your Blu-ray player will automatically update and you can start streaming your favorite shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.